Hi guys, so today I was just sitting, so I thought of making this video. This is about the prosto topic of major connectors in RPD. Okay, so this is just a brief intro about the major connectors. So I've just named them so that it become easier for you to remember, because it is being asked in examination to enumerate, or it can be asked in vivas also. But I'll be making a video on this in which I'll explain each one of them in detail. But here just the names of each one. So just to make you familiar with this. So I am talking about the major connectors in RPD. So in maxilla there are basically 6 major connectors. So the first one is single posterior palatal bar. Okay, so this is single posterior palatal bar. See, you can see here there is single posterior palatal bar. Okay, on the palate side there is single palatal bar. Remember this diagram, you can also draw this in your exam. Second is palatal strap. Okay, so you can see this is a strap kind of thing which is in the posterior region. So this is palatal strap. So here you have teeth, but here you don't have any teeth. So this is a palatal strap. Here also, see, there isn't any teeth over here. So that's why we are using RPD. So this is single posterior palatal bar, and in this case it is palatal strap. Okay, and remember one thing about it, that this is 8 mm thick. Okay, so its thickness is 8 mm. Okay, so this is basically 8 mm thickness. Next is anterior-posterior palatal bar. This is a combination of anterior and posterior palatal bar. So this is anterior-posterior palatal bar. Okay, remember these diagrams very carefully. Next is horseshoe or U-shaped bar. So this is, see, this is, isn't it in a shape of a bar or a horseshoe shape or U shape? So this is a palatal bar, horseshoe or U-shaped palatal bar. See, next is a closed horseshoe shaped. See, here it is closed kind of thing. See, so that's why it is named closed horseshoe shaped. Next is complete palate. See, it is completely covering the palate, that's why it is named so it is complete palate. So these are your maxillary bars, maxillary connectors. Okay, I hope you will find it easier to learn and draw. These are very basic ones, just practice them and learn them. In the next video I'll be discussing, don't worry, about each one of them in detail. Here is just a brief. Now the mandibular connectors, major connectors. So it is also just the name. So the first one is the lingual bar, which is in half pear shaped. Second is lingual plate. Third is the lingual bar, sublingual bar, sorry. Fourth is the labial bar. Fifth is lingual bar with cingulum bar. Sixth is cingulum bar. Just remember these names for now. I'll discuss each one of them in detail, as I already told you. So don't worry about the explanation. I'll explain them to you. Okay, just learn them till then. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting. If you really liked it, then please like it, and bye bye. Thank you so much.